Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back for my daily options trade. How's it going today? Alright, you can see some of my other trades are doing okay and some are losing a little. Today, I'm gonna go here. There's been a lot of volatility recently in blockchain. So I'm gonna look at RIOT. So you can see the volatility here is pretty high. Expected move plus or minus $8 for this week. Alright. So there's 2 days left till expiration. Expires on Friday for this weekly. And it's selling right about $3. Alright, let's look at the monthlies. Expiration. That's much better. So here, let's look at the chart. You can see it's pretty low a while back. It looks like it's doing a little consolidation right now, down from its highs. Possibly moving up for, making a big move up. You see it has a consolidation about 20. And it popped, and now it's consolidating again about 50, and it should go up again eventually. Hard to say. Depends on the blockchain, depends on Bitcoin price. But it looks like there's definitely a support level at 20. If it breaks through there, it's going down to 10. And then 4, 3. Wow, that's pretty bad. Okay. So let's see what we can do. I would want to sell about 50. Add. And I said support about 20. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to add 35. I want to add a leg. And then I want to add 30. So this is some protection and backspread. See, it's about $1,500 at risk. If it drops super low, I'll actually make money. So this looks like a good trade. You can see the risk reward chart here. Alright. And I'm okay with that. Let's try to get close to mid. Probably won't get right there, but it'll be close. Alright, let's confirm. Max profit. If it goes out of business. Buying power is 1046. Reduction. Alright, ready? Let's go. Alright, it didn't take. Let's see if we can fix it up. Oh, it really changed a lot, didn't it? Try again. Alright, it's filled for 450. Pretty good. Look at the positions again. Looks like my buying power is less than $1,000, so could be a problem getting through the week. Might want to, I have this FSK here. I could probably sell it, although it's right near break even. Let's do FSK. Let's look at this expiration. It's only 10 cents for a call. That's pretty, volatility is pretty low on this stock. Not really going to make much there. Alright. What else we got? Alright guys, I think that's it for today. I'll think about how to increase my buying power, and we'll tackle that tomorrow. Alright guys, good luck out there in the markets. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell for my next video, and my daily options trades.